welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at one of my favorite chainsaws. That's the Partner S55 chainsaw. This one's made in 1979, 55 cc's, a very popular firewood cutting chainsaw, Swedish made. And we'll look at some of the features it has. Red button's a kill switch, choke is on the right, operator presence lever, throttle lock, squeeze both the presence lever and the trigger and you push in the button, locks that throttle, quarter throttle. Starting the saw, safest way is on the ground, of course. Use the foot pad, good grip on the handlebar. You can start this high compression motor. Love the colors. It always has looked great. Great saw. Large falling spike, quiet tone muffler, and that's a 22-inch bar and chain. Windsor, 3/8 pitch, 50 gauge, full comp, meaning more teeth, less spacing. Chisel configuration, square for faster cutting. Chain tensioner, loosen two bar nuts up. Right on the side here's your tensioner. Just a great example of another Swedish manufacturer.